Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to stop automatic backups, save iCloud storage or switch to manual or computer backups, you can easily turn iCloud back app off. In iPhone settings 2026, Apple lets you disable iCloud backup with one clear toggle. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn off iCloud backup on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, I want you to do is go to settings, okay? So this is where all iCloud and Apple ID options are managed, okay? So at the top of settings, tap your name or your ID. This opens your Apple ID settings. Tap iCloud. Here you manage storage, backups, and iCloud features, okay? So scroll and tap iCloud backup, okay? Here, as you can see, you will see the backup status and last backup time. So toggle iCloud backup to off, okay? A confirmation message will appear, okay? Tap OK or turn off to confirm. Now understand what happens after turning it off. Okay, so once disabled, iPhone stops automatic cloud backups. No new backups are uploaded. Existing backups stay in iCloud unless deleted. Okay, so iCloud storage usage may stop increasing. Your data remains saved on your device. Okay, so to free storage, go to settings, go to your name, iCloud, manage storage and backups. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.